11. So this is 4:30. And we're getting ready to go to the beach. TJ's so sweet. Get up. So this is the hairstyle for today. It's giving 2 space buns, but make it edgy. Alright guys, so it is 5:40 a.m. and we are in the car at a gas station. And we are about to be on our way to the beach. We have a whole 47-minute drive. But we are packed and ready to go. The sun rises at 6:30 and it says we're gonna be there at 6:27. Wait, 6:35. It says we're gonna be there at 6:27, so hopefully we can make it because that was the whole point. But we are on the way. I'll show you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we made it. Perks of being pregnant, I just walk and look cute. Look, LAKEY's dragging the wagon. Hello.
I'm so dead. Yeah.
It looks so pretty this morning. Alana swears that she saw a dolphin. Did you really see a dolphin?
She literally could not move.
I could not.
I'm so dead. Okay, well, me and Lana got the tent up. Cute little umbrella. This is the view. I'm dead. Alright guys, so we did just get here, but we are trying to get our pictures out the way. Lana found me a flower, so cute. It's giving aloha. Kidding. But we took some Polaroids. This is Lana. And then me and Lero and baby Robinson. So yeah, we're gonna take some more Polaroids to get our pictures out the way, and then we're gonna start our beach day. So currently we just got the water. Yeah, we were floating and stuff, you know, having fun.
And now we're eating
water.
Oh, my hand's shaking.
You see that? We're eating water. So we just picked up some ice cream because Alana had to go to the restroom, so we stopped at this little shop and got some ice cream. It's super hot. I'm starting to get tired.
I think I'm shaking.
I'm starting to feel weak. Mama needs to get some water in her system.
Yeah,
but we're heading back to the beach. LAKEY's there with our stuff.
Yeah, and I'm wearing her shoes. And she just asked me if I'm wearing her shoes. And I am. Also, this ice cream is melting already. Is your guys' is?
Yeah, mine's melting too. Gotta keep the fan on you. Hint, if you are in a hot area, I suggest ordering this fan on Amazon. It doesn't do too much, but it's a little something. Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Alright guys, so it is a lot later. It's like 5 o'clock. Pretty much, after we left the beach, we got food on the island and then we headed home. It was like an hour drive. It started raining. LAKEY drove home, but we had an amazing day. That was literally all of our favorite beach day. Like, that was like literally our favorite beach day. But I am extremely tired. I'm about to get some rest and wake up and do some homework. I'm laying on my pregnancy pillow right now. After I got out of the shower, I oiled my belly. I also took my prenatals today and I made sure to stay hydrated while I was out there in that heat. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us going to the beach spontaneously to watch the sunrise, even though we got there like 20 minutes late after it came up. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back with more videos. I love you guys so much. Stay positive, stay confident, and stay fabulous. Bye guys.